Say hi, everybody. Hi. Say welcome. No? Can you say please? Please, please, please. You just waving hi.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Can you say Sadie? Sadie. Can you say Harper? Can you say Daddy? Can you say Mama?
Mama.
Can you say water?
Mama.
Can you say pizza? Can you say snow?
Hi.
Can you say snow is falling, snow is falling to the ground, to the ground. How about slippery fish, going through the water. Slippery fish, gulp, gulp, gulp. Oh no! You say no, no. Say no, no. She's like, but the camera didn't do anything wrong.
Hi.
Harper, can you say, oh, hi.
Hi.
There's Sadie. All of us are in there. Yay!
Hi.
Hi.
Okay. Hi. Hi. It's Sadie and Mommy and Harper. We are just gonna sing Slippery Fish.
Slippery Fish. That's one of the first songs Harper learned at school.
Today we're gonna have so much fun.
Yeah, we're probably gonna get some snow and bring it inside because I forgot there's snow pants at school. Guess what? Daddy decided to go out. Hi! Try to operate in the snow and he got the van stuck one time. I had to go out and help him try to get it out. Somehow we got to the grocery store. Because we should have gone to the grocery store yesterday, but we were having a celebration for Grandma Beezy's having birthday.
Can you put the camera by me? Thanks.
How about you sing Love Grows? Because we didn't even hear that song before.
Love girls.
Look at the camera.
1 by 1, 2 by 2, and 3, 4 by 4. Love grows round in a circle. Comes back knocking at your front door.
Yay!
Hi.
They learned that for a variety show that we have at our school, but the class did that song last year, so they're not allowed to do the same song 2 years in a row. That's like a new rule. So they learned the song, but now they can't use it. So what you gonna do? We gonna sing it for YouTube, huh?
Yeah. We made a mess.
Oh, sorry, Harper. I was gonna say you wasn't.
In the back, we made a mess.
What? Where did we make a mess?
There's a mess on the floor right
Yes.
now, and from us and the couch.
We gotta take the couch apart because Daddy's phone fell inside the couch, so we took everything out, and we're also missing a couple library books.
Yeah.
So
They're probably in the.
we just like took apart the whole couch and like looked in it and found a bunch of change. Took out the cushions and let them like make forts and stuff.
Today we are gonna have so much fun.
What is it doing outside right now?
It's snowing.
Yes, snowing, and so yeah.
We don't get to go outside because it's freezing cold. And I don't have snow pants. We don't have.
You have snow pants at school.
Yeah.
I forgot to bring them home over
We
the weekend.
forgot to bring it home and we can't go. So if we don't have snow pants, we can't go.
But we can bring the snow inside, right?
Yeah. Because it's we're just gonna put it in a Ziploc bag.
That's what Sadie wants to try. So he wants to try to put it in a Ziploc bag and see what happens.
And
But I was thinking maybe putting it in like a bin or something, and then you could play with it.
yeah, let's put it in a bin.
Okay, that's good too.
Remember what you used to do?
What? Yeah, we did that before. Remember, we did that. We put it in bin before. We actually have a video of that.
Yeah.
We pretended we were doing Gold Rush because Daddy was like on a Gold Rush kick where he was watching Gold Rush all the time. On the Discovery Channel or something like that.
We found the elephant and then and then
I have a story to tell you, Sadie. Guess what?
what?
Your auntie, not your really auntie, my cousin, so whatever, Taylor, is 8 months pregnant. She's due March, in the beginning of March. She is moving today. It's like the blizzard or whatever of 2015, like people calling it snowpocalypse. And she's moving today, 8 months pregnant, and it's like an upstairs apartment and everything. I'm like, you're a crazy girl. Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
So
And today we are gonna have so much fun because we're gonna get some snow and build some snowmans and stuff in a bin. Maybe after we put it in the Ziploc bag, let's put it in.
I should turn the TV down if we're gonna be talking. Sadie, who's your favorite? Well, I don't know if the remote's by me. If the remote's not by me, we'll just leave it. Who's your favorite people to watch on YouTube?
Seems like you've got
Carly.
Carly from. Do you know what her channel name is?
Family Nest.
Family Nest. Yep. Anybody else?
That's not true.
Who else do you like to watch?
Me too.
Myself.
You do like to watch yourself. So anyways, sometimes we watch Emmy Made in Japan whenever we're talking about a country that she has received. Harper. Alright. That's all for now, guys. Maybe we'll film some more later. Talk to you later. Bye.